Okay. Hi, I'm daxim from PM, and last time I forgot to tell you I also have a Google Plus thing, so add me to your circuits. And I've come a long way to tell you that sprintf is broken. Here's a menu hash where the keys are the food and the values are the prices. And but actually we use some web scraping, so the data is unnormalized. There's some soft hyphens in there from the HTML, and we have here combining characters instead of pre-composed ones. So we want to print them like in a menu which you find on a table. So all neatly aligned. So we just iterate over the whole hash, get the food, get the price each, and then use printf to line in columns, 14 characters for food, and then here with the euro sign afterwards, and 2 characters after the decimal dot, and looks like that. Oh. And wow, not good. All underlined, and how did this happen now? So let's have a look where the commonalities are here. That looks mostly aligned. Okay, these are Latin characters, and Cyrillic also works, and what else? Yeah, okay, that is too much aligned. And here where we had the combining characters, where is it? That is all too much to the left, and awful. So what do we do? So it's not aligned correctly, and even when you do want to align, and you can only use spaces because that is what the S thing in sprintf gives you. And but if you want to have nice lines, also if you use locale, then it totally breaks because it's all terrible C. And you can't change it. Yeah? You can either replace it completely, but you can't easily extend because sprintf is actually a C function, so you need to this if you want to. So let's just use completely something different. Instead of sprintf, you say stringf, which comes from this module, and then you have some codes again. So instead of S, let's say P, which is for period padded, and here a Unicode modifier. So, and the larger difference is that if you have parameters where here the braces were optional, here they are mandatory. So if you have some code which needs parameters, you put them in braces. And where does string f come from? You just put this in the import list, and as a parameter you give it code, and then the meaning what each parameter is doing. Okay. So let's have a look here. The euro thing is just put through to the f parameter in sprintf, nothing special. And with the key padding, we use spaces. And how many spaces do we need? We just take the length of the thing, and then if it is longer than the thing, then the text comes before the padding. Otherwise, the other way around. And then we have that result. Oh. Okay, that already looks better. Now we have the period padded, but it's still not aligned. So what's going wrong there? So it's actually that thing calculating the length of, obviously something is missing there. So what you need to do is replace the length in with Unicode GC string columns, and then it will tell you for each Unicode character how much space it occupies when you print it on the terminal. And this one is aware of each character in the whole Unicode database list, and will always give the correct result. And then if we have a look at how it looks, then it works. So conclusion, as I said, use stringf instead of sprintf, use columns instead of length, and this the code idea is from Tom Christensen, and this stringf module is from Lars. And yeah, who of you knows that the class card is actually a different thing from the acute?
Yes.
Yes? I want to sit next to you in the evening. Because you're my kind of people. Okay. Thank you very much.
Does anybody else?